Hello guys, welcome to our MuleSoft Tech channel. In this video, we are going to learn about MuleSoft AI Chain Connector. It helps us to build AI agents inside our Mule applications. So let's get started.
So let us see first what is a chain connector in MuleSoft. It is a framework designed to build a bridge between the AI services and integration between the mules. It acts as a bridge between the LLM models enterprise system between the APIs. So by using the AI chain connectors, we can interact with the AI services like giving the prompt, taking the response. For the AI services, we can work with anything like ChatGPT or Ollama or Salesforce Einstein or maybe Cloud AI. By providing the AI services, we can run our Mule flows by implementing and integrating with AI services. So let us see how the AI services are enabled to our Mule's flows and the entire implementation and the connector configurations of the AI MuleSoft chain and how we connect with the multiple AI LLM models. Let us see. Before going to implement in the studio, let us install the local AI Ollama. Why we choose Ollama? Ollama is a free version to work with the AI LLM models because we can work with also OpenAI or the Cloud AI. But to use the OpenAI or the Cloud AI, we need the subscription based account. So let us for scenario we go to the Ollama. It was a free and we can run in the local. So let us install the Ollama first. Open the Chrome and search for the Ollama and download the Ollama. And suppose here I am installing the cloud Windows version. You also make sure the Windows or the Linux or Mac OS. I was in Windows services, so I am using Windows. So I installed Windows and run the Ollama. I already previously work with the Ollama, so my system already contains the Ollama. And make sure the install and run. To check the Ollama was running or not, you can check with the HTTP localhost colon 11403. By this you can enter the Ollama was link. That means you successfully has been installed the Ollama and your local system has been running with the Ollama AI agents. So you may ask how the local agents are helpful to us. Even without an internet also you can chart and you can make you the prompt and you get the answers without your internet also. Let us see how it happens. Suppose open command prompt cmd to install the you can may run some of the Ollama in your command. So let us see the command Ollama run. This is the one of the latest LLM model of the Ollama. You may ask how can we know the Ollama latest model? You can see later I will say how you had been configured this. Suppose you just been entered. I already previously installed and the Ollama was been running, so you can wait for this some time. It was running. See, you can type the message. Let us suppose what is. So you may see the answer how your ChatGPT or Cloud AI works, right? This is an local AI had been successfully installed, and this is our PHI3 version our LLM model what we are going to use on our studio. Okay guys, this is how we can identify the how the local Llama was running local AI services are available. So let us close this, open our studio. Already I have it in previous project. Let us open it. Let us go to the configurations. Let me check how configuration has been done. You guys need to work. See, in the LLM type I have been selected Ollama because why I am going to work with Ollama. And what is the response type? The configuration JSON. This was the you need to give the Ollama server in our project. So in src main resource create a sample.config json file. In the json file this is the syntax you need to provide the Ollama base URL. So just go with the description had been given in the description. You may keep on it and you can guys work on it. Okay. But if your guys are using with OpenAI or Cloud AI, they are different way of giving this. Okay. For all the entire AI services, I'll have given in the description. Okay. You may guys go and check. So this is the URL. Based on this URL, our AI agent was going to work. So the file path should be called in a dynamical way. Okay. So this is was the file path mule.apps in the app name sample.json. This I haven't configured. Make sure this should be clean and crystal clear, calling the dynamic value of a path. And what is the model? There are different number of model. You guys before know what is the model I can use. You can guys install anyone code Ollama or Ollama 2 or Mistral or Oracle Mini or Tiny Ollama. I'm guys using with PHI3 because PHI was the latest version which runs with the less memory. So as you using with PHI3. And what is the temperature? The temperatures are nothing but what is the accurate and how many timeout and time out units. And max tokens are nothing but length of the prompt. That means how now right now up to only 5 words. That means length of the prompt is nothing but if the sentence was contains with 5 words, the 5 words are should be only accepted by this Ollama LLM. Okay, make sure that every configuration has been done. And you may see the multiple AI chains here. Let us guys work with some of the few sentiment analysis and chart answer prompt. Let us see how the sentiment analysis works. See, in the connector level configuration I just given the payload.review because the sentiment analysis work as a it will reviews our prompt. Because if you are given a good review it will in most of the let you guys ask where it has been going to work. In the most of the reviews are like MMCs, they won't read the entire reviews clearly. They will work with the AI agents. The AI agents will give the number of reviews good or positive or negative. It depends upon the sentiment analysis. So let us see how our sentiment analysis works. Based on the Ollama services, the our AI MuleSoft chain is going to work and they will go to suppose our flow. So the endpoint of our is going to be review. So let us trigger how it works and we can check it over there. Go to the postman. So I already configured with HTTP localhost 801 review. So see, before I have been worked I ate a mango, it was so sweet. So I feel peace. It was giving a positive review and it was giving some of the sentiment score. Let us change the font and let us check how it going to works. Before that going to work, let us check our flow was going running or not. Let us run our project first. Our application has been successfully deployed and let us see how the response of the sentiment analysis was going to be. Yeah, my god has been fired. Let us send the request. It is very negative because the review has been reviewed and the analyst has been analyzed is negative was reviewing. I was so happy. Let us see how the response has been changed. Okay. See, very positive. Based upon our incoming request, it is analyze our review and how we feel it was analysis. It may be positive or negative. Okay. Let us see some of the AI mules of chain connectors. Short answer prompt and short answer memory. And what are the differentiate bit? Let me explain what are the differentiate between short answer and short answer prompt with memory. Short answer prompt will give the response based on our incoming prompt like present. But short answer prompt memory, it will store the memory of your before prompts and it will give the response depends upon before memory also. See the connector level configuration as giving passing the prompt for the short answer prompt with memory. You may see the what is the how many messages should be had been stored by the short answer Ollama AI. It was up to 10 messages it was going to store and had been entirely storing the chart conversation in this file path. I just created in chart memory DB and just entirely showing the what has been chart has been happened between Ollama and the MuleSoft service users. Okay, and what is the file name and what is has been prompt. So you may guys know how the response has been changed. Let us see by using the this was an endpoint for only for prompt answer. This is an answer memory was an endpoint of the answer with memory. Okay, let us guess ask. Let us see. I had been given what my name is John. Okay, let us give to the Ollama AI service and it will let us see how the response has been come. See, hello, how can I assist you? This is the Ollama response. So let me change. Now you may know what should be the response has been happened. You may see the differentiate between the how the memory and without memory has been working. See, the Ollama has been response, but it can't say my name was because the previous memory has been not stored. Let us check with how the answer memory has been stored. Give my name. What is my name is John. See, it was greeting you. Now we are going to ask the same prompt with the with memory, and let us change. What is my name? See, the Ollama AI LLM models has been remains your name remains has been John because the chart memory will store your previous data until the 10 prompts has been entirely completed because min maximum message has been configured 10. So this is how the differentiate between the chart answer prompt and chart answer prompt with memory. And there are many more connectors who has been going to work. You can embed the document, you can create the document and in the folders and read the images, generate the images. For more videos, you can guys comment below and for the entire connector configuration. So I hope you may guys understand how the configuration, how the AI mule chain works. Okay, thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Please do comment for document. Thank you.